Yes, Daddy.
Where you say do?
Nothing, Daddy.
Go on out the door, go sweep up your yard. And go make sure they sweep out every single dirt out of the
But that's
ants nest.
impossible, Daddy.
Wait! A back chat here, a back chat me?
Okay, Daddy.
Right. Maya,
Yes, Daddy.
come here.
What you said,
See
Daddy?
the phone here? Pass it, give me.
I really that you call me for, Daddy, and look which party phone there.
They could put me a clock made, you know. Maya asked me the panty and think of steam fish. I wanna look back chat people, so pass my phone, give me.
Hey, Daddy.
Maya!
Yes, Grandpa.
You don't say every day they on phone. When you can't put on the phone and make your phone rest. I say I heard two in here. Watch that. Same thing me there chat boy. When I have a phone, a laptop. And when I have a laptop, a phone. When I have a phone, a laptop. And when I have a laptop, a phone. You can't put on the laptop and the gadgets. You can't put on the gadgets and make everything rest. And don't kiss the teeth off of me. No! Maya!
Yes, Grandpa.
You sick?
No, Grandpa.
Maya,
Yes, Grandpa.
you breathe?
No, Grandpa.
So, what is for?
Are you tell me something to take up one book and read?
No. Gotta come. Gotta come. Signs of the time, gotta come.
What, Daddy?
There, you know. What, you sweep up your yard, eh?
Yes, Daddy. So I come sweep up here. We can go to guys out at ice cream shop.
No, Maya, Corona day here. Corona day boat. You want them?
No, Daddy.
And you know your immune system not strong already. You beer, sugar and water you drink.
That must say, Daddy.
No, this picnic by Rockstone, turn of your
But
yard.
go.
Honor your mother and your father that your days may be long. Turn of your yard. Me don't care about no Vanessa. Me don't talk.
Oh,
Frost. Yo.
Yo, Trevor, what going, brother? Yeah, man, everything Gucci, man. So your boy on the online test then. Boy get 10 out of 10, a bright boy. Maya, how much you get on the online test?
6 out of 10.
Right, my daughter get 6 out of 6, brother. A bright piece of girl, listen. Bright piece of girl. Who think she want to do? A second down, you see it? A bright piece of girl, man. Yeah, man. Real, man.
Daddy lie, see, man. You might hype me up in lie.
Yes, man. So anyway, big up yourself, you know, bro. I chop.